Are you wondering how to make your day even better? Start it off with some cold oats. They're a great way to get all of your nutrition, lots of energy, protein, everything, and make your stomach last all day. Right, Kobe? These are the ingredients that I use in my overnight oats, or I like to call them just cold oats because I don't always leave them overnight. Be sure to use old-fashioned oats, not the 1-minute oats. We're in it for the long haul, folks. This granola has everything you need. It's delicious, and it also has cinnamon. Brain power, baby! I really like the Greek vanilla yogurt because it adds that little bit of sweetness instead of having to add honey or agave on top. You can use any kind of milk that you'd like. Almond milk, goat milk, cat milk, frog milk. Let's get this started. So you're going to want to put about 1/2 cup of the oats. If you need to measure, go right ahead. I don't like to measure, so I'm not going to. About 1/2 cup also. Now a lot of people add the granola the next morning, but I like the granola a little bit soft in the morning, so I like to add it the night before. I also add the yogurt the night before that I'm making it, and this way everything is just all ready in the morning and I can just grab and go. When adding your milk, you'll end up kind of doing different things with this. I like to add the milk all the way until I can see it on top of the granola. It really soaks it up, and I like my granola soft. My teeth are kind of sensitive, and that just works best for me. But if you don't want the granola soft, then definitely either add the granola in the morning or go ahead and just leave the oatmeal on the bottom filled with the milk. Time for the berries. So delicious. What a great meal to start your day. All right, now it's time to cover it with some saran wrap and leave it in the refrigerator for an hour or 2, and it'll be ready to go, or overnight. All right, what do you think, buddy?
I don't know.
Do you like it? Yeah?
No, I could do it.
Is that your first time having it? Hey, don't eat it all, that's my snack.
Not anymore.
Oh! You're too cute.